I checked out Manus 1.5, and the idea behind it is honestly pretty impressive. It's built to turn plain language ideas into working app prototypes in just a few minutes. The interface is clean, very AI-forward, and doesn't require any coding knowledge, which makes it appealing for people who want to test concepts quickly. You describe your idea, pick a layout, and Manus generates screens, logic, and even a usable workflow. For brainstorming or client demos, it's genuinely useful. But here's where expectations need to stay grounded. The apps it generates aren't production-ready. They're more like structured mock-ups with basic functionality. If you try to build something complex or highly custom, the AI tools start to hit their limits. Also, Manus 1.5 is evolving fast, which is great, but it also means occasional glitches, missing features, and inconsistent outputs depending on how detailed your prompt is. Another thing, documentation is still catching up. You'll find yourself guessing how certain features work, especially when you want to go beyond the template. Overall, Manus 1.5 is great for ideation, pitch decks, and early-stage prototypes. Just don't expect it to replace real development. For fast concept testing, though, it's definitely worth trying.